Kai Shenanigans, here with another one. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you for coming along on my journey. Today is a lazy day. I'm just going to fry me a couple of pieces of fried chicken. Y'all see it ain't much. It's been washed and stuff, and I'm going to sit it here because we're going to season it. But I first want to say, like always, I want to say thank you. Thank you to my new, thank you to my old, thank you to my future, and anybody else that want to watch me, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for hanging in there with the old shenanigans, because I'm going to keep coming back. I'm going to keep doing it, and we are going to get it. We are going to get it. So, I'm almost at 600. That's 7. This is 6. I think I'm at 546. How many more do I need? Comment below. But I got my grease heating. It's a little small pan because it ain't many. We're going to fry it up together. We're going to season it down together. I'm going to show you what I put on it. So, let's do it. Hey, my friends, here we go. Mustard. It ain't much in here. We're going to use what we can get out of it. You know, mustard is a good binder. It helps keep all the seasoning. I'm going to throw that away because that's done. We're going to put some poultry seasoning. Always for the chicken. Always for the chicken. As always, y'all know I got my window open. I'm going to put this in the flour. I have my bag of flour here. I put it in here already. You know, the old school flour in the bag. We're going to put soul food seasoning in that. But we got some chicken seasoning here. And we got some chicken wang seasoning. That look just like the chicken seasoning. So let's stir it up and see if we need something else. Because we want this chicken to be nice, crispy, and tasty. I'm going to take you over to the stove and show you. I got a very little pan with enough grease to cook 1 or 2 pieces together. Because I'm cooking just a little bit for me today. I'm going to eat all these chicken wings. Ain't nobody going to get none but me. And they're going to be good and good and good. And guys, what are you having today? It's a Saturday here in New York. A little cloudy. Raining a little bit. Nothing going on here. So I'm just putting some seasoning salt in the bag. We're going to shake it up. And we're going to move to the stove. And we're going to fry this chicken up. But like I said, what are you guys having today? Comment below. And tell me where you're looking. Where you're at when you're watching this video. What state? Tell me what state that is watching me. I like to know. So I can say hello. And say thank you from afar. So we're going to put this chicken and get it ready. Alright my friends. Here we go. We're at the stove. I'm going to test this grease. That grease ain't that hot. And it been on. So we're going to put these in the bag. 1, 2, I got 6 pieces. 6 pieces. This pan, y'all see, ain't big for much. I don't want to overcrowd the pan. So we're going to let this get hotter. We're going to drop this in. I'll be right back. I got to blow my nose. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry for saying I had to do that, but I did. And when I cleaned it, I had seasonings all in my nose. So, we're going to test this grease again. See if it's hot now. Because when I dropped the chicken, I wanted to just start frying. I wanted to be frying. This is my handy dandy pan for when I do stuff. The grease is not hot because you know why? I don't have it cut up high. Let's cut it up some. Let's cut it up higher, folks. I'm going to put one piece of this chicken in it to get hot, to see what's going on. To see what's going on. Okay, we're going to drop the first piece. See, it's not hot. You see, it's not hot. I'm going to come back when it's hot and it's cooking. All right. It looks like it's cooking now. And my other piece I put in here done got lost, y'all. There it go. It's coming. All right. I'm making a mess. And you know my motto is, if you ain't making a mess, you ain't cooking with love. So let's wipe it off. Let's wipe this on. Now see that chicken cooking up. Cooking up. Tell me in the comments how you guys cook your chicken. You know, I want to talk to you guys about some stuff. I don't, you know, have a lot to say. I just want to say thank you, though. Always thank you for being with me while I cook this food. This is not going to be a long video. I can guarantee you that. So, let's fry up this chicken, and we're going to eat it with a Kentucky Fried Chicken biscuit. I'll be back. Okay then, my friends. We're going to turn the chicken and see how it's looking. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Looking good, people. Looking good. Normally, when I fry chicken, I put it in my deep fryer. But I don't feel like that today. I'm having a lazy, laid-back day today. You know, I had a long week. I took my seniors on a bus trip on Thursday. I don't know if I told you guys about it. We went on a trip to see a Motown review. And it was a nice one. We had so much fun. You know, seniors love to dance. And these people that I took, we had such a good time. We had such a good time. I didn't get toe up. Because you had to pay for the alcohol. So that means no drinking. You know, because seniors like to drink too. So we had juice. The food was amazing. The food was good. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed everything about that day. So, here I am. I'm making me some fried chicken. Fried chicken. So, when it's all done, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I just can't get it out. When these are finished cooking, we're going to taste these while the other ones are cooking. Because it ain't many. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I want to say. So come on back when it's all done. Whoop, and we're eating the fried chicken with a Kentucky Fried Chicken biscuit. Come on back. Okay, y'all, I turned it over again. You know when fried chicken is done. You see this sizzle? All this little bubbly? That means it's not done on the inside. When all of that stops bubbling so much, then you know your chicken is done. So we got some time yet to make this chicken done and crispy like we like it. But you got to keep turning it. When you're cooking it on the pot like this, you got to keep turning it so it won't burn. So I just turned it over just now. I'm going to let it cook around some more. And then I'm going to turn it again. And hopefully, on that next turn, it should be ready. All right, my friends. That chicken is done now. I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to put some papers on it. We're going to take it out. You see how slow it's sizzling? That means that chicken is done. That chicken is done. Yeah. We don't want it to burn either, so I'm taking it out. We're going to let it drain there for a minute. And guess what? I'm going to be eating it. Yes, I am. You guys like hot sauce on y'all chicken? What do you like on your chicken? You wouldn't believe what I'll tell you what I like. You wouldn't, let me say it again. You wouldn't believe what I like on my fried chicken. Ha ha, guess. I like me some Thousand Island dressing. And I just might put me some on it. So these 3 is the last 3. But you know what? These ones will probably cook quicker. I made a mess. I made a mess. Y'all see it? I made a mess. That's alright. I'm going to clean it up. When I come back, we're going to be tasting these ones. These ones. Alright. Alright there, my friends. We are going to taste this chicken now. I told you I had a KFC biscuit. And these are my chicken wings. So, you know, this video ain't long because I didn't have much to show you. I just showed you how I seasoned my fried chicken wings. I cooked them on the pot on top of the stove. And I told you that when they're done, you'll know they're done because they won't be sizzling and fizzing so much. So, we're going to taste this piece right here. But thank you for watching if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to put my plate down because I'm going to use both of my hands. Hot, hot. Pretty hot smoke, huh? But that chicken is done. That chicken is done. And guess what? That chicken is good. It is. It's done and it's good. Look. You see the inside? No red. No red on those bones. Anyway. So I won't choke. Thank you for watching again. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. At the end here, you gotta subscribe, like, and comment. I'm working on making 600 subscribers. I'm at 546. I'll take it 100 at a time. I love coming here and doing this. I tell y'all that all the time. So, I will be back. I will be back with another one. I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying to be intentional on making these vlogs so I can keep it going, So this is it today. My fried chicken and KFC biscuit. I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys. You got to forgive me. I wanted to say that. I say you guys because that's the slang we use here. But my friends, I want to say thank you for watching. I will see my friends on the next one.